How to draw Donny the Unicorn from Powerpuff Girls, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing two simple small curved lines that will help make the first ear of Donny the Unicorn. Next, in between these two small lines, we're going to draw a small shape to make the inside of the ear. Now a little to the right, we're going to draw an upside down V line to make the unicorn's corn that is coming out of Donny's head. And don't forget that if you're new to the channel, then be sure to subscribe and like this video so that we can continue to grow our community together. Now we're not going to finish drawing that just yet, we'll come back to that a little bit later on in today's video. For this next step, let's go ahead and draw the hair, which will be connected to the ear that we first drew together. This piece of the hair that we're currently drawing will not have a lot of detail, neither will the other piece of hair that we draw, which will connect to the other ear and the unicorn's corn as well. The most important part about this step is just making sure that it all flows fairly well together. Now if you're all done with that step, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now let's go ahead and draw two small lines to connect these two shapes. In this step, we're going to draw the second piece of the hair. This second piece of the hair that we draw will be just one shape, similar to what we previously drew together, but on the right hand side, we're going to have about 3 or 4 lines to make the detail of the hair. Fantastic! So far this looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the second ear on the right hand side, which will be attached to the piece of hair that we just drew together. Keep in mind this second ear will appear to be much smaller because it will be farther away and behind the piece of hair that we just made. Once we're all done drawing the second ear, the next step will be to draw the outline of the right side of the face, which we can do by drawing a simple line going down, connected to the right side of the hair. Attached to the simple line going down, we'll draw a second additional line that is slightly curved and will be going towards the left hand side of the page. Now we're not going to draw the outline of the left side of the face, that will just be attached to the rest of the body, but now we can go ahead and draw the outline of the eyes along with the pupils, so let's draw a big oval shape right here on the inside of the face. On the inside of this oval shape, we're going to go ahead and draw a small black circle for the pupil. This will be on the top right hand side of the inside of the circle. Nice! Now a little to the right, let's go ahead and draw the second eye. Keep in mind that this shape will be the same as the one that we just drew together. Nice! Now once we're done with that step, let's go ahead and finish adding some detail to the unicorn's corn that I previously mentioned. For this, we're just going to want to draw a few simple lines going from left to right. Then, above each of the eyes, we're going to draw simple eyebrows by drawing a simple curved line going from left to right. The right one will be a little bit smaller than the left. Now right below the eyes, we're going to give Donny the unicorn a smile by drawing a simple U line going from left to right. A little to the right of that line that we just drew, we're going to draw two small circles that will be the nostrils of our unicorn. So now that we're all done drawing the detail of the face, we can now go ahead and draw the detail for the body. Beginning on the left hand side, we can draw an upside down L line that will connect to the left side of the hair. So now, from where we just finished drawing that line, we can go ahead and finish drawing that back leg. In total, we're going to draw 4 legs for Donny the unicorn. We'll first draw the 2 ones that will be facing closest to us, then the 2 in the back. The 2 in the back will be a little bit smaller than the 2 in the front. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. On the bottom of each of the legs, we're going to make the hooves of our unicorn by drawing a simple small line design. Well done, that looks great. Now a little over to the right and below the face, let's go ahead and draw the second leg. We can connect the 2 legs that we just drew by drawing a simple long line. This will help us make the torso. Then we can connect the right side of the leg to the head right above by drawing an additional curved line. So now all we have left to do is to draw the 2 additional legs along with the tail of our pony on the left hand side of the body. Fantastic! For the final step, let's go ahead and draw the back tail. This will look very similar to the hair. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. This is how to draw Donny the Unicorn from Powerpuff Girls. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below and comment what else you would like to learn how to draw. And don't forget next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.